Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Green Link Digital Bank app. First, download the Green Link Digital Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using your username and password. After logging, you will see your home screen. The screen shows your account balance and recent transaction. You can quickly check how much money you have saved and see your latest activities. If you want to send money, tap the transfer and send button. Then choose the person or account you want to send money. Enter the amount and view the details. To receive money, you can share your account number or payment details with the sender. The money will appear in your account once the transaction is complete. If you want to pay bill, tap the pay bill. Choose the biller, enter the amount and confirm the payment. This helps you pay utility, phone bill or other service directly from the app. You can also check transaction history anytime by tapping the account section. Then let you track your spending and manage your finance better. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.